In our template editor, we can add dynamic values such as people, dates, and dependencies. Let's start by making the dates dynamic. Click on the pencil icon to edit a date. Here we can enter a static date or toggle on dynamic dates. Now, we enter how many days, weeks, months, or work days from either the creation date or a timeline date or a date column on the parent item. For my example, I want the first task, copy, to be completed 3 days after the project timeline start date that will be set on the parent item. Now let's set a dynamic owner for the task. Click Edit here, switch to Dynamic, and since I want the copy editor to create the copy, I will select Copy Editor in the drop-down. Let me add dynamic values for the rest of the sub-items. As you can see, this template is ready to go with dynamic people and dates. The final thing to do to make this a perfect template is to add in dependencies. Of course, the storyboard needs to be created first before we can create graphics, and the graphics need to be done before we can have a finished video. Now we go ahead and hit Save, and the template can be seen in the Sub-Item Templates tab. Now let's see Templify in action. I'll add a new project here. I will set the timeline for this project, assign roles, and simply open the item. Now let's navigate to Templify, select Apply Template on the item, and voila! As you can see, the sub-items have been dynamically assigned to each respective role, the due dates have been set according to the project timeline, and the dependencies have been added.